Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share this little cute and it is very easy butterfly earring. So if you like my video, please do like, share, and please subscribe my channel to get the new notification. So let's get started. Okay, so let us see what are the things we need. So for this project I have used two colors of thread. This is actually pearl cotton thread, and a crochet hook size of 0.60 mm. Now scissor and earring material and glue and one peeler. So for this project I have made two size of butterfly, one small and one big. So at first I am showing you that small butterfly. This one I have made with that purple thread. So at first we'll make the magic ring. Okay, so now we'll make 4 chain done. Now at first we'll make one treble crochet. For treble crochet I am taking 2 loops as you saw, 2 loops on the hook. Now I am pull the thread through the loops 3 times, 2 and 3 times. So treble crochet done. Now we'll make 2 double crochet. One double crochet done. Now second double crochet done. Now we'll make one chain. Now we'll make slip stitch. So now slip stitch is done. Okay, now we'll make one chain, now one double crochet, done. Now we'll make 2 chain done. Now we'll make that slip stitch. Okay, now the front side is done. Now we'll do the other side, means this is the left side done. Now we'll make the right side. So this is on the reverse process. At first we'll make 2 chain, 1 2, then we'll make one double crochet done. So our 2 chain done. Now we'll make the double crochet, one double crochet. Now we'll make one chain. Now after one chain we'll make slip stitch, one slip stitch. Now again we'll make one chain. Okay, now we'll make one double crochet, now we'll make again one double crochet, means actually total 2 double crochet. So our 2 double crochet is done. Now we'll make one treble crochet. Now after treble crochet, okay, now after treble crochet we'll make 4 chain and then we'll make one slip stitch and our butterfly is done. Slip stitch. Now we'll cut the thread. So our small butterfly is done. It seems very cute. This is a very tiny one. So now we will make the bigger one, that a big butterfly with the orange thread. Okay, so with orange thread we will make the big butterfly. So for this, at first we will make the magic ring. Now after magic ring we will make 6 chain, 2, second chain, third chain, fourth, fifth and sixth. So total 6th chain. Now 1 double treble crochet. For this one we will take 3 loop like the same way. So here we will pull the thread through the loops 3 times. Now make 2 treble crochet. First treble crochet, now second treble crochet, so triple crochet done. Now we will make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet done. Now we will make 2 chain, 1 and 2 chain, and then slip stitch. Now after slip stitch we will make 1 chain, 2 chain, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet done. Now we will make 1 triple crochet. So the triple crochet is done. Now after triple crochet we will make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3 chain. Now we will make slip stitch, 1 slip stitch, done. Okay, now this is the left side done. Now we will make the right side. So right side almost the same one, only the reverse process, means we will start from the 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 chain. Now we will make 1 triple crochet. So triple crochet is done. Now after triple crochet we will make 1 double crochet. We will make 1 double crochet. Now we will make 1, 2 chain and slip stitch. Slip stitch done. Now we will make 2 chain again. Now we will make 2 chain, 1, 2. Now 1 double crochet. Now our double crochet is done. Now we will make triple crochet. This is the first triple crochet. Now the second triple crochet. Now after triple crochet we will make double triple crochet. For double triple crochet 3 times we have to take thread. So double triple crochet is almost done. Okay, now we will make 6 chain, like that. You can pull the thread of the circle. So chain 6 chain I am doing. Now after 6 chain we'll make the slip stitch, and our butterfly is done. So this is little bit bigger size. So now I'll cut the thread. So I have cut the thread and I just fix a knot to fix it. Okay, now we'll assemble it. So here I have, for this one earring I have made two butterfly, means each size, two each size. So first I'll show you how I'm fixing it. So here you can see I am that thread I am fix it with the glue, and now I'll cut the extra thread, and for second one also I'll do the same. Now on that chain I'm taking the chain, and that this portion I'll put through the chain, put it to the chain like that, and again I'll fix it with the glue. And the second butterfly I'll stick it over the first one. I'm sticking it. So now I'll press it with the finger. So our bigger one is fixed. Now we'll fix the small butterfly on the other end. Like the same way I'll fix it. So the both end of the chain I have fixed the butterfly. Now on the middle, not approx the middle one, little bit left side of the orange color butterfly, I'll fix the ear hook. This one with the pillar, I'm using the pillar, means earring pillar. Okay, you can see how I'm fixing it. Okay, so it is actually very easy and but very beautiful and very beautiful earring. You can make it with any of the color, 2 colors. So guys, if you like my video, please comment me on the comment box, and please do like, and please do subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, it will motivate me to make such a beautiful video. So guys, please, thank you and have a good day.